Handy DIY tips for installing Kraft-backed insulation or Visqueen that doesn't want to stay stapled. Here you go. There's a 2x4 or a floor joist. Here is our Kraft-backed insulation. And you put it on your 2x4. And when you grab your air stapler, put it in. Sometimes the staple cuts through the Kraft, the backing, and tears out and it doesn't stay put. Well, you can use pipe hanger material. Comes in a roll for hanging plumbing and electrical and everything else, and you can use that as a stress relief, almost like button nails. And voila, you get a nice solid backing. You can do the same thing with vinyl deck flashing. Vinyl deck flashing comes in rolls and sheets just like this. And you can cut a little corner out and you can make these tiny little squares. It's actually a little cheaper than using the... And that will stress relief the staple so that it doesn't pull through your Kraft backing. And as you can see, I'm tugging on it, pulling on it, and it actually holds it pretty good. Here's what the plumbing tape looks like in its original form before you cut it. You can also do the same thing with Visqueen vapor barrier when you're stapling that up, because the same thing happens when you put your staple in. Sometimes the staple cuts right through and it doesn't hold. If you're putting the vapor barrier up on the outside during a windy day, sometimes it's very difficult to get it from out without tearing through the staples. You can do exactly the same thing we did before. There's the vinyl deck flashing, and here is the plastic pipe hanging. Oop, we're out of staples. Anywho, you get the idea. The stress relief, it isn't going anywhere at this point. I've also used this when I've used temporary vapor barrier as a weather protector to keep weather out of the house when you've got a wall opened up. This isn't going anywhere with the reinforcement of the staple. There's some hints for you. Talk to you later. Bye.